Today's video is on the top 3 best heated floor systems. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Vevor Floor Heating Mat. Are you looking to stay warm and cozy? This 30 square foot floor heating cable kit has you covered. It comes with everything you need: a heating mat, thermostat, alarm, and floor temperature sensor. Unlike traditional heaters that can leave you feeling hot and dry, the system warms from the ground up, giving you comfort and even heating throughout the room. Plus, with a cable size of 1.6 by 19.2 feet, it's designed to efficiently heat your space without the typical heater annoyances. Worried about installation? No need. The heating mat is designed for ease. Its 2-inch spacing allows for cutting, rotating, and flipping, so you can fit it perfectly into your space. And with its thin 1/8 inch thickness and double-sided adhesive, it sticks right to the subfloor and stays flat, even when converted. Just remember, don't cut the cable. The heating wires need to be embedded in materials like self-leveling underlayment, thin-set mortar, or cement. Now, let's talk about the thermostat. This kit comes with a programmable touchscreen thermostat that's incredibly user-friendly. Not only is it easy to operate, but it's also equipped with a built-in ground fault circuit interrupter for added protection. Safety first, right? But that's not all. The thermostat offers some great features, including dual sensing for both air and floor temperature, power logging to monitor energy use, and a child lock for extra peace of mind. And if you love convenience, you'll appreciate the 4 different temperature control modes and the ability to set a 7-day schedule. No more daily adjustments. Just set it and forget it. To make sure everything runs smoothly, the installation monitor in the kit keeps an eye on your cable's performance, so you won't need to worry about fixing problems later. It's especially handy, preventing any need to move or re-pour the concrete under your floor. When selecting the right size, just round up your floor space to avoid any gaps. For example, if your floor is 2.6 square meters, you'll want a 2 square meter mat for a perfect fit. Finally, installing this system is made even simpler with the detailed guide provided in the kit. The instruction manual walks you through the process of selecting the correct size and gives step-by-step guidance on installation and usage. Whether you plan to install the heating mat under ceramic tiles, natural stone, laminate, or wooden flooring, the system is versatile enough to work with all of these surfaces. So no matter what type of flooring you have, you can enjoy the warmth and comfort of a heated floor. Smash that subscribe button like you're kicking off your shoes to feel that heated floor goodness. Number 2, best overall, Heatwave Electric Floor Heating Mat Kit. Looking to keep your floors warm and cozy all year round? The Heatwave Heating Mat is a versatile solution designed for areas up to 30 square feet, making it ideal for various room sizes. The mat measures 20 inches wide by 18 feet long, giving you enough coverage to keep your floors comfortable and heated. It also comes with a 15-foot cold lead, which makes the installation process more flexible and straightforward. One important thing to note: do not cut or shorten the red heating element. The mat even includes a Heatwave cable monitor and damage alarm, adding an extra layer of protection and peace of mind while it's in use. When it comes to installing the Heatwave heating mat, the process couldn't be simpler. Thanks to its adhesive backing, you can easily position it exactly where you need it without the hassle of additional tools or fasteners. Whether you're working with standard or irregular room shapes, the mat's reversible design lets you adjust it to fit just right, giving you the flexibility to customize your setup without stress. It's engineered to accommodate all kinds of room layouts, making it a highly convenient solution for various spaces in your home. The Heatwave heating mat also includes a programmable thermostat, so you have complete control over your floor heating system. This isn't just any ordinary thermostat. It features a 4-event, 7-day schedule, allowing you to program your heating settings for each day of the week. Whether you want to warm up your floors before waking up in the morning or set it to a comfortable temperature for when you return home in the evening, the thermostat makes it easy to schedule your preferences. It also meets code-required GFCI protection for added safety, handling both 120 volt and 240 volt AC and switching up to 15 amps. The built-in ambient air sensor and in-floor temperature sensor ensure that the system runs efficiently by accurately monitoring the heat levels in your room and beneath your flooring. The Heatwave system is designed to be embedded in a cement-based compound, making it an incredibly effective and long-lasting heating solution for a variety of flooring types. Whether you have tile, laminate, plank, carpet, or floating floors, this heating system works seamlessly to provide consistent warmth. Once installed, you won't even notice it's there, except for the cozy floors underfoot. This makes it an ideal choice for homes looking to integrate efficient heating without disrupting the look or feel of the existing space. Rest assured, this product is manufactured by Heatwave Systems, a trusted USA brand with over 25 years of experience in the industry. It's ETL listed for the US and Canada and safe for wet locations, so you can feel confident about safety. On top of that, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty and US-based technical, installation, and sales support whenever you need it. Overall, the Heatwave Heating Mat offers an efficient, versatile, and easy-to-install heating solution for a wide range of flooring types and room shapes. Number 1, our pick, Electric Radiant Floor Heating System. Looking for a way to keep your floors warm and cozy? The Warming Systems Electric Floor Heating Mat is a simple and effective solution. This mat is 20 inches wide and comes with pre-spaced heating elements, set 3 inches apart. Installation is straightforward. Just unroll the mat, making sure the cold lead runs up the wall to the electrical box. It's perfect for rectangular or square spaces with right angles. Need to adjust the mat to fit your space? You can cut the white fiberglass mesh and flip or turn the mat, but remember, never cut the red heating element. Now, let's talk about temperature control. The digital programmable thermostat is designed to work seamlessly with electric floor heating systems. This thermostat allows you to maintain your floor's temperature with precision, helping you stay comfortable while also saving energy. It's user-friendly with a sleek backlit display, making it easy to program and read. The thermostat operates at 120 volts, switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and includes a floor sensor for that extra layer of accuracy. Just note that it's not GFCI protected, so make sure it fits your setup. Wondering about special features? This thermostat offers 2 modes. The AF mode, which controls the room temperature while limiting the floor temperature, and the F mode, which uses an external sensor to control the floor temperature directly. During installation, the installation monitor is your safety net. It continuously checks the heating system, ensuring that if anything goes wrong, like a damaged heating element, you'll be alerted immediately. The monitor even lets out a loud alarm if the system gets damaged during installation, giving you peace of mind. If you hear the alarm, stop what you're doing and check the operation manual. Also, don't forget to check the system's resistance with a multimeter before, during, and after the installation for extra security. The monitor is pretty handy. It can even manage up to 3 systems at once if they're connected in series. A red light and alarm mean there's an issue, while a white light shows that everything is working fine. Lastly, the system includes 2 floor sensors. Why 2? Well, it's always good to have a backup. If one sensor fails, you can easily switch to the other. The sensor wire runs down the wall and into the heated area, sitting between the heating elements to give you an accurate floor temperature reading. Plus, the thermostat has an ambient sensor built in, allowing for dual temperature control. While all the links point to 30 square feet of heating mats, you have the flexibility to adjust the size based on your needs, all the way up to 300 square feet. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.